Okay, we are going to learn how to multiply. And I was thinking this would be a really great time to do it because right now we're learning about crabs. Crabs have 10 legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about this symbol, the symbol for multiplying or times. And this really means groups of, okay? And I'm going to show you how. So if we are looking at crabs, and we know that we have one crab has 10 legs, right? So this means one group or set, one crab with 10 legs equals 10. So 1 times 10 equals 10. And any number times 1 is going to equal itself. Okay? But now what about if we have two crabs? So this is two groups of crabs, or two sets. So we want to know how many legs do two crabs have. So we're really saying, what is 2 times 10? So anytime we have something times 2, that just means you're doubling it. And you are all so good at knowing your doubles facts. So it's really like saying, what is 10 plus 10? So we've got 10 and 10 here. 2 times 10 is 20. Now, what if we have 3 crabs? So what you could do is you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and you could count. But the cool thing about multiplication is that it helps you figure out the answer quicker. So this is 3 times 10. 3 groups of crabs with 10 legs equals 30. And another way, you could either count all the legs, you could add 10 3 times, or you can just count by tens. So 10, 20, 30. 3 groups of crabs equals 30. Okay? All right. What if we have 4? 4 groups of crabs, so 4 times 10 is 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Are you starting to see the pattern? Something that's cool about times with 10 is that you just add a 0 to the number. So look, 5 times 10, if we take 5 and add a 0 to it, we get 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Look, there's more and more crabs each time. What about 6 crabs? And now I was running out of room to draw all these eyeballs and all these legs that I just wrote 10 on each circle. So each circle represents one crab with 10 legs. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, or 6 times 10 equals 60. All right, and what's 7 times 10? 70, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, and even more, what happens when we get 8 times 10? We've got 80. Okay, so do you see the pattern that's going on here? We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. What do you think 9 times 10 will be? If you follow the pattern, 9 times 10 is 90. Okay, and then I bet you probably already know, what is 10 times 10? So let's count by tens to make sure we finish this off the right way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? So something that's kind of cool about this is you know all of your times tens now. It's really easy. If you want, you can write down these problems just so you can be really ready for second grade and say, wow, I already know my times tens. Okay, so it's pretty cool that crabs have 10 legs because that helps us figure out our multiplication or figuring out groups of crabs and knowing our multiplication by 10.